Hey, so welcome back to my Bukkit/spigot plugin coding tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to target a player within a command. So obviously you'll need to learn how to do this anytime you're creating a plugin such as crates or anything where you give players items through commands. So I'm also going to show you how to create multiple commands. So there's two ways you can do it. You can literally just repeat the same process I showed in the other episode of commands. I believe it was the second episode. Or in this video I will show you how to do it in the same class. So first of all, you need to register your second command within your plugin.yml. So I'm going to just do player, and then I'm going to do description target a player. So now what I'm going to do is within here, what you're going to first do for your first command is if cmd.getName.equals ignore case, and you're going to do your first command. So in my case it's YouTube, and then you're going to want to do, you can either do else if or just another separate if statement, but I'll do else if cmd.getName.equals ignore case player. So that's your new command. So if they run /YouTube, this will run, and if they run /player, this will run. But remember, anytime you're doing this, you still have to register your command within your plugin.yml folder and your main. So you're going to go to your main, and you're pretty much going to recreate this. So get command, and then your new command, and then .set execute a new command, just like that. So now within here, the first thing you're going to want to do is check the arguments of the command. So if args, and that will be this final thing here, by the way, args.length is greater than 0. So if they are putting in any arguments in their commands, this will run, otherwise this will run. So I'm going to add an else statement, and I'm going to do sender.send message, and then I'm going to do usage /player, just like so. So if we don't put any arguments in, we'll be sent this message. Now the args.length is greater than, what we're going to do is player p equals bukkit.getPlayer args, and then square brackets 0, and then put your semicolon at the end of it. So make sure you import player from org.bukkit, not from anything else. And then what we're going to do is if p doesn't equal null. So within the player object, if the player is not online, it will return null. So that's what we ran here, and I'm going to do sender.send message, sorry, but that player is offline. And then if it is a valid player, I'm going to do sender.send message, you found the player by the name of, and then I'm going to do plus p.getName, just like so. So now when I run this command, if I do not input a player, I'll get this message. If I input a player but they're not a valid player, or they're offline, I'll get this message. And if they are online, I'll get this message. So let's go quickly head onto the test server and let's give that a shot, shall we? So joining the server now, if we type in /player, okay, usage player, and then we'll put in an invalid player, and sorry, that player is not online. And then if we put my name, he found the player by the name of Askingg. So another thing, you don't have to type out the whole player's name. For example, there, look, I can just put /player AS, and since I'm the only person on and my name starts with AS, it finds me and it sets me as the player. So that's how you can target players within commands. It's pretty simple, and that's also how you can create multiple commands. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next video.